Let us begin our story with King Bhagirath, who ruled Ikshvak dynasty. Bhagirath had 60,000 great uncles who are dead due to the curse of Saint Kapil. For making their souls free from curse and reaching their souls to the heaven, Bhagirath need Ganga, which usually flows only in heaven. So Bhagirath start praising Lord Brahma for thousands of years. Brahma was very pleased by Bhagirath's devotion. He granted his wish. But he said earth was not strong enough to bear the flow of Ganga. There is only God Lord Shiva can do that. And Bhagirath start praising Lord Shiva. Shiva was very pleased and promised to help Bhagiratha as the Ganga starts to flow from the heaven. Ganga was so proud of herself, so Lord Shiva wanted to teach her a lesson. Shiva locked Ganga in his hair locks. Lord Shiva didn't release Ganga from his hair locks. Now the Bhagirath is so depressed and start praising Lord Shiva once again. Now Lord Shiva appears and released Ganga into 7 streams. One of the streams start following Bhagirath and wetted 60,000 ashes of their great uncles in it. This is the origin of Ganga.